What are we doing today?
Experiment.
Experiment. What have you taken for the experiment?
Water
And
water and this water and this water.
so we have taken water in 2 jars. Okay, now Bhaiya will tell us further what we'll do. I think we need shaving foam for it. What are we making today? Clouds. Clouds, rain clouds. With a simple experiment.
Okay, so these are different colors, green and red.
Okay, only the green one. Alright.
Okay, so what we are going to do, Mindy, is we are going to take a jar, fill it with water, then put shaving foam upon it and leak some food color from upon
Drop some food
Yes.
color from upon the
yes.
shaving foam. So
Like
what are we
here
learning
there's a
through?
picture. Actually, we
Hey,
are learning.
this one.
Yes, we are learning through it that how do rain clouds form.
Okay, and how does it rain from the rain clouds?
Yes.
Alright, so let's get going. Wonderful. So we have sprayed. Oh, we're not supposed to touch it. Okay, it's not at all cream, okay? Baba shaves with it. This is his shaving foam. And we are imagining that it's a cloud, okay? So, we'll wash our hands if it has gotten onto your fingers. So now, see, it has something to do with density also. Vanan, tell me, is the shaving foam lighter than water or heavier?
I think
It's staying at the top. It's not getting mixed. It's not sinking.
this is less.
Less intensity. This is Zainab's sketchy and this is lion. Now we don't have blue food coloring agent. Otherwise it would have been better, you know. It would have been better obviously if we used blue for showing rain and clouds. But we have green and
Red, I think it will rain blood.
oh my god. Let's put a few drops of food coloring agent and let's see what happens. Few drops, okay? Drop it in the center.
Oh my.
Okay, done.
Okay,
Now close the cap.
cap.
Ooh, our rain has started. Look, Zainab, what's happening? Bend down.
Oh, look what is happening
Wow,
down.
we have actually poured in a lot of food. Oh, but how did it go at the bottom of the shaving cream? Because food color is heavier, so it just passed through the shaving cream. It did not stay there, it did not mix over there.
Let's see if we put shaving cream upon the
So, are you making some cone? Icing cone?
pouring. It is about to come out. You have to.
Full.
Wow.
Okay. Yep.
Look, it's going.
Done. Now leave it like that.
Okay, let's
And
leave
let's
it.
wait for it to,
Come
drop
down.
down. Yes, from this cloud. Now let's wait for it. See? Can you see this side? It's gonna come down, but at a slower pace. But it will eventually come down. We will see it coming down. Alright?
Green color is there.
Yeah, green color is gonna come down. Let's wait for it. Ooh, what happened here? Did someone notice? It became like a volcano. Lava coming out of it.